Hi, and welcome to CIMON's Product Showcase. Today, we'll cover the infamous training kit unit. We'll review the anatomy, features, and the embedded demonstration product provided. This is the training kit. This unit has an embedded PLC-S CPU and a 7-inch NXT Xpanel. To learn more specifics about these two items, please watch our previous product showcase videos located in the description below. On the left-hand side, we have 4 green LEDs and 4 momentary push buttons. On the right-hand side, we have 4 red LEDs and 4 toggle push buttons. These items wire directly into the digital input and output expansion modules of the PLC-S chassis. Located in the middle of the unit, we have a voltage meter that displays a -10 to 10 volt analog output signal generated by the analog output expansion module. Then we have a potentiometer that sends a voltage signal to the analog input expansion module. Next up, we have a stepper motor and drive which the embedded I/O of the PLC-S CPU controls. And then we have an encoder that sends a signal to the PLC-S's embedded I/O for high-speed counting. Then we have an RTD probe for reading temperature which sends its signal to the RTD expansion module. On the bottom left of the training kit, we have a USB, serial, and Ethernet communication port for simple connection to the PLC and HMI. The training kit easily opens so that the internal wiring is readily accessible and reverse engineering is accommodated. Notice that there is a router inside which provides wireless connectivity to the PLC and HMI and a DHCP server. Let's review the functionality demonstration project deployed with this unit by default. There are several buttons on the home page for project navigation, going to a digital, an analog, positioning, or a high-speed counter page. Let's go to the digital page. We can control the LEDs using virtual buttons or physical buttons. Now let's go to the analog page. We can control the analog input using this potentiometer, and we can see the feedback as I move it left and right. The analog output controls the voltmeter over here, and I can use that by using a keypad. And then we have temperature at the bottom here controlled by the RTD probe. Let's go to the positioning page. I can do interval-based, jog-based, or speed control. Interval-based will give me a start-stop motion. Jog will give me a steady motion. And then speed control will let me go increasing or decreasing. Now let's go to the high-speed counter page. Notice that it's already enabled and I have current count and counting speed right here. So if I just move the encoder left and right, you'll see feedback in those boxes accordingly. And then we have trend graphs over here to complement those values. With options such as digital I/O, high-speed counting, positioning, and analog I/O, the possibilities are truly endless. We appreciate you stopping by. Stay tuned to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.